So bitter and sour. It tastes so bitter and sour, guys. Cheers. It actually tastes good. If you think it's bad, it will taste bad. If you think it tastes good, it will taste good. That's it, guys. So let me finish this. So good, guys. So now I can unlock the 25th hour of the day. Let's go.